Hey guys, it's me, Bill from the Life Hacker, and today we're going to be making rain in a jar. So what do we need to make rain in a jar? Is some water, a jar, shaving cream, and some food coloring. So first, you will need to put in your water. Make sure you fill it almost to the top. Just about right there. Now, use your shaving cream. Make sure you shake it up before you put it in. So I'll be using blue food coloring to make it look like rain. Once you put the food coloring on top, make sure you make it separate. Don't put it in one spot because you don't want to put too much on there. As you can see, once the cloud is filled with, water or moisture, all the other stuff, you can see that like the clouds will get heavy, it will turn to like a gray colorish color. That means it will start to either rain, hail, or snow. Thanks for watching. Give it a try at home.